Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax on Wrightsville Beach. Got a beautiful Grady-White to show you today on brokerage. This is a very lightly used 2024 180 Fisherman, powered by a 150 Yamaha 4-stroke with the Grady cream white color match for the upholstery and top sides. It's only got 2.5 hours on it. Beautiful condition. Lots of great upgrades on this boat. Very capable 18-foot boat. So you can see the bow steps up a bit with those beautiful Grady lines. A quick exterior walkthrough, then I'll hop up in the boat and show you some of the features. This one has a bimini to give you a bunch of shade. As you can see, it's got the Bennett trim tabs. No bottom paint. 4-step swim ladder with the platform. Just love the color of this boat. You see the shine on it, factory finish. Beautiful boat. Let's hop up there and show you some of the other features. It's the newer generation Yamaha here. Classic reliability of the 150. Paired with the newer steering system on board, makes steering a breeze. You've also got your engine flush quick connect here in the splash well. Got 2 cup holders, nice armrest handle there for your stern seating. Rod holders. Looking at the dash here, you can see we've got a Fusion stereo unit with Fusion speakers. You've got your Garmin touchscreen with your engine information built in. As you can see, you've got 2.5 hours, 2.4 hours. Also got your Yamaha touchscreen with all of your digital display. You've got your tilting helm, stainless with the knob, as well as nice accented grip here. You got your Bennett trim tab controls, all up, all down, and then obviously your other controls. New Yamaha binnacle. It gives you your trim assist, neutral hold, as well as ignition power button there. Great visibility on this boat. Sitting pretty tall for an 18-footer, so you know it can handle some chop better than some of the competitors. You've got your battery switch back here. It does have 2 batteries, so it's got the selector switch for 1, 2, or all. Also got a built-in battery charger, which is great. Keep those batteries nice and juiced up for every time you come back to it. You've got your anchor light, in the rod holders under the gunnels, both starboard and port side. Upholstery's in great shape. Like I said, a like new boat. 3 different positions for the backrest here. Use it as a leaning post, forward facing or aft facing. Moving up to the bow, you've got your live well under your most popular seat in the house. In front of the console, you've got cup holder and rod holders on each side. Nice and tall windshield to keep the spray and cold air and rain out of your face when you're driving. Got more speakers up front. Got the bow filler cushion with insulated storage beneath and the assisted shock right there. You've got your designated anchor locker stowed away, tucked nicely. So if you were handling lines or casting at a fish, you could use this because it is non-skid. Absolutely beautiful boat. Like new. Like I said, under 3 hours, 2.4 hours as it reads. All your switches here you've got your horn, nav and anchor lights, your bilge, live well pump, and freshwater pump. It does have a freshwater tank. Right here inside the console, that's the boot cover for the Bimini right there. And you've got on this port quarter, you've got your freshwater sprayer right there for a shower when you're coming back on board. Absolutely beautiful boat. Like new condition. Save a lot of money compared to a new boat. It's a great opportunity for someone. If you have any more questions about this boat, you can call me on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you a 2024 Grady-White 180 Fisherman. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.